friends, welcome to the point. In this session, we are discussing about minerals. What is a mineral? A mineral is a solid chemical compound that occurs naturally in pure form. Minerals are most commonly associated with rocks due to the presence of minerals within rocks. Classification of minerals. Minerals are classified as metallic minerals, non-metallic minerals, and energy minerals. Metallic minerals are further divided as ferrous minerals, non-ferrous, and precious. Ferrous minerals are the minerals that contains iron particles in its element. Example, iron ore, manganese, nickel, and cobalt. And non-ferrous, it does not contain iron content in its composition. Example, copper, lead, tin, bauxite, etc. Precious. Precious means these are the precious stones available naturally. Example, gold, silver, platinum, etc. Examples of non-metallic minerals are sulfur, granite, salt, potash, limestone, etc. Energy minerals includes coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Mode of occurrence of minerals. Minerals generally occur in three forms: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. In igneous and metamorphic rocks, minerals may occur in cracks, creeps, faults, or joints. The smaller occurrences called veins and the larger ones are called lodes. In most of the cases, they are found when minerals in liquid or molten or in gaseous forms, and they are forced upwards through cavities towards the earth's surface. They cool and solidify as they rise. Major metallic minerals are tin, copper, zinc, and lead. They are obtained from veins and lodes. In sedimentary rocks, a number of minerals occur in beds or layers. They have been formed as a result of deposition, accumulation, and concentration in horizontal strata. Coal and some forms of iron ore, they have been concentrated as a result of long periods. Another group of sedimentary minerals, they include gypsum, potash salt, and sodium salt. These are formed as a result of evaporation, especially in arid regions. Decomposition of surface rocks is also another mode of formation of minerals. Certain minerals, they occur as alluvial deposits in sands of valley floors and base of the hills, and these deposits are called as placer deposits, and generally they contain minerals which are not corroded by water, like gold, silver, tin, and platinum are the most important among such minerals. Even the ocean water, it contains a vast quantity of minerals, but most of this, they are diffused to be economic significance. However, common salt, magnesium, and bromine, they are largely derived from ocean waters. Ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals are those minerals that contain iron, metallic in nature. Example, iron ore, manganese, etc. The picture shown, it depicts the iron ore mines. Iron ore, it is a basic mineral and the backbone of industrial development. India is rich in good quality iron ores. Magnetite, it is the finest ore with a very high content of iron of about 70% in it. Hematite ore, it is also important to the industrial needs, but it has lower iron content than the magnetite. It has only 50 to 60% of the iron ore. Sedimentary rocks on the western and eastern flanks of the peninsula in Gujarat and Assam, they have most of the petroleum deposits. The vast alluvial plains of the North India are almost devoid of economic minerals. This variation, they exist largely because of the differences in the geological structure, processes, and time involved in the formation of minerals. Let's see some of the major iron ore belts in India. Odisha Jharkhand belt, Durg Bastar and Chandrapur belt, Ballari Chitradurga Chikmagalur Tumkur belt in Karnataka, and Maharashtra Goa belt. These are the four major iron ore belts in India. Manganese. Manganese, it is mainly used in manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, insecticides, and paints. Odisha is the largest producer of manganese ores in India. It is accounted for 1/3 of the country's total production of manganese. Non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which do not contain iron in its component. Example, copper, gold, lead, bauxite, etc. Copper. India is critically deficient in the reserve and production of copper. Being malleable, ductile and a good conductor, copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics and chemical industries. The Balaghat mines in Madhya Pradesh, Khetri mines in Rajasthan and Singhbhum districts of Jharkhand are the leading producers of copper. Bauxite. Several ores they contain aluminium, but it is from bauxite, a clay-like substance, that is alumina, and later aluminium is obtained. Bauxite deposits are found by the decomposition of wide variety of rocks which is rich in aluminium silicates. Aluminium, it is an important metal because it combines the strength of metals such as iron with extreme lightness and also with good conductivity and great malleability. India's bauxite deposits are mainly found in the Amarkantak Plateau, Michael Hills and plateau regions of Bilaspur Khatni. Odisha was the largest bauxite producing state with 34.97% of the country's total production in the year 2009 to 10. Non-metallic minerals. These are the minerals which do not yield new products on melting. Example, iron, copper, bauxite, gold, tin, etc. Mica is one of the example of non-metallic minerals. Mica is a mineral. It is made up of series of plates or leaves. It splits easily into thin sheets, and these sheets, it is so thin that 1,000 can be layered into a mica sheet of a few centimeter height. Mica, it can be clear black, green, red, yellow or brown in color. It has an excellent dielectric strength, low power loss factor, insulating properties and resistance to high voltage. Mica, it is one of the most indispensable minerals that is used in electric and electronic industries. Rajasthan has a major mica producing area around Ajmer. Nellore mica belt of Andhra Pradesh is also an important producer in the country. Limestone, it is an example of rock minerals. Limestone is a carbonate sedimentary rock that is composed of skeletal fragments of marine organisms such as coral, molluscus, etc. Its major materials are the minerals calcite and aragonite, which are different crystals forms of calcium carbonate. Limestone is a basic raw material for the cement industry and it is essential for smelting iron ore in the blast furnace. Conservation of minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resource and it takes nearly 1,000 years for the formation and concentration of minerals. The rate of the formation is much smaller than the rate at which the humus consumes these minerals. It is very important to reduce wastage in the process of mining so that we can conserve minerals. Recycling of metals, it is also another way in which the mineral resource can be conserved. See you in the next session with some other interesting topic. Thank you.